Hello everyone, in this video I just quickly want to show our simulation, and as you can see it is event driven, so the events go from 1 to 3000. It's the total simulation length is 3000 events. The time is recorded based on the random number that is generated based on exponential distribution. It's added in, and then we get the clock time in this manner. It propagates downwards up until the very last event. The demand size is calculated, generated based on the discrete probability. And as you can see, we have recorded inventory that is on hand before the simulation begins, which is 50 in this case. And as we can see, the demand that has been generated is subtracted from the inventory, and we get the net after demand. It gets recorded. The back order, if any, gets recorded. The status, if we place the order or not, also gets recorded. And as you can see, we got flags, which basically represent the simulation. It goes from 0 when it's 12 months to when it's up until 12 months of simulation. Then it goes to 1 when it's the remaining 100 months, and then goes to 0 again when it's the remainder of the simulation. We only record and analyze data within those 100 months of simulation, since first 12 months is the calibration period. You can see the logic of our ordering cost and holding cost. We flag if the event is the last event day. If it is, we record the final inventory on hand and calculate the holding cost. If it isn't, like here, for example, we have a day of 18 here, and we can see the next demand event occurred like on the same day at 18.6 days. So for that case, we don't record the inventory at the beginning of the day. We will record the inventory at the last event, demand event. And that's how we carried on with the backorder cost as well. And you can see the on-hand demand, inventory after demand gets diminished, then refilled again. The backorder gets satisfied, and we calculate all our costs that are linked to that too. This is run across 10 replications as required in the assignment. The random numbers are generated on separate sheets for each replication to avoid repetition. Those are generated, randomly times are generated based on the uniform distribution. Time between demands is generated based on the exponential distribution. Demand size based on the discrete distribution. Then we have the summary sheet, which basically outlines the mean cost across 100 months, mean average cost, and standard deviation, the confidence interval as well, and the number of copies required within $5. As you can see, when the sheet is updated, it recalculates the numbers, and the simulation is live. It works, and yeah, that's it.